Hey, hi. What a
Hi.
coincidence. How come here?
Oh, I came for some work. I'm going back home. I'm heading home.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but the pictures last time came out very well.
You remember me very
Yeah, we did a shoot on Church Street.
So you like the pictures?
Yeah.
So like if you really like the pictures, can you like give me a treat?
Sure. I think I know a very happening place. Let's go there.
So where are you taking me? What's the secret place?
You'll find out.
Wow. Such a happening place, man.
Yeah.
Seems like Christmas came in early. Why is it also white around?
Because this is the first Roman restaurant to exist in this town. Such a beautiful sunset, no?
It is beautiful, but not as beautiful as you are.
Is it good?
Did you like the pictures?
I did like the pictures, but I have a question for you.
Yeah, tell me.
Jaga hai kidhar?
Jaga ಹೇಗಿದೆ? You know Kannada now?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Oh, very nice. I'm so happy. How did you learn? ಹೇಗ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರಿ?
Last time you taught me a little bit and now I know what that meant.
Leg back, it's good. Yeah. Not so much. Ha, perfect. Try to lean like this. Perfect. So, Rajasi, how was your day?
It was
It was good. So, what is your ambition in life? Like, what do you want to do in your life that will keep you entertaining? You won't get bored for your life.
there are a lot of things I want to do. I want to get financially independent,
Okay.
not just for me, but because I don't want someone else to be providing for me. I also want to make him happy and buy him gifts. It's not just the guy's responsibility to buy you flowers or take you on a date. I would do that for the other person.
Okay.
And moreover, to do that, yeah, I have thought of various different things. I might initially be working with a firm for marketing, and after which I want to do my own affiliate marketing links and social media promotions, or handling the social media page for other businesses and firms, help them grow and earn money.
So, what is the top most 3 things you like in a person? Not in a guy, in a person.
I think 3 things I like. You mean physical feature or characteristics?
Physical to
I
characteristics.
I think when people are a little health conscious, I like that about them. It need not be a gym freak. It doesn't have to be someone very athletic. It's fine if he's naturally fit, but at least healthy. Not someone who doesn't care about his health and
Okay. You do a lot of shoots, photo shoots, and you'll do a lot of events and stuff. How encouraging is your family?
very. So in the beginning it was like not believable for them that how is this even happening. But then if I'm doing well, they are fine with it. They are like, good, if you're happy, then what else do we need?
Okay. So, what's your take on people who judge other people based on their attire?
I feel like if someone's comfortable wearing what they are, it is fine. But till a certain extent, even I think that at times a few outfits are a little too revealing, which does make them look bad, and they just shouldn't. You should be aware of what you're wearing. And if
Okay.
you know how to carry it, then fine. Wear a jacket with it or something. If it's too deep, then wear a jacket. If it's backless, carry something. Do something about it.
Okay. So, what is the biggest insecurity that you have, but you have not told anyone, but yeah, you have it?
I feel like at times I feel like I'm too broad. My arms are too big, which is not very likely for all women to have.
And what is a favorite workout in gym?
I love doing arms, back and chest.
I think that's why you have a broad.
I like upper body more than lower body, though women usually do lower body more.
Ah, yeah, true that, yeah. So, can we catch up for a gym session sometime?
Maybe we could.
Let's see. Let's plan something. Thanks a lot for being sport, and I'm grateful that you met me here. And let's see how the dinner goes.